Here one thing is very important. When you exhale completely, there's a vacuum will come from navel to the mind is not quiet. You easily get distracted. Sleep is not proper. Procrastination is all the time and you're not able to focus. Such kind of issues today's time we are facing, due to which our life is becoming heavy, so much with sorrow. Today practice, I'm going to teach you one very important and very effective technique which will directly hit the deeper level of the mind, which will eliminate all these toxic behavior of the mind, and you will be able to stay focused. You'll be able to quiet your mind. Unnecessary thoughts will just demolish automatically from the surface of your mind. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel, Prashant J Yoga. Today practice is very important because today we are directly hitting the mind, and the important and very profound practice I am going to teach you today. On the first day, the results you can see easily. You have seen so many videos, so many pranayama and meditation techniques, even the asana techniques you have practiced for controlling the mind, quietening the mind, finding the peace and silence. But these practices gives you result with the time. But there is a one practice which I'm going to teach you today can give you result right away. And once you strengthen this, just a week, you will see amazing result. Practice is Pracharadan Vidharana. Pracharadan, and this quote is from Yoga Sutra Patanjali also. Pracharadan means exhalation, rechak. Vidharana means holding the rechak. Means more you exhale and hold, do not allow inhale to happen, that will help you to quiet the mind faster. Every morning after cleaning the bowl, you sit quietly in meditation practice just 5 to 10 minutes this. In just 5 to 10 minutes, you will see that the energy will come back, your pranic body will be strengthened, and your focus will be deeper. You can see everything clear. You will not be distracted. Before you sleep, practice this a little bit. You will see the sleep will become better. Try this experiment from today. So the technique is sit comfortable position, and now when you are in comfortable position, make one mudra, Baddha Hasta Mudra. Interlock your fingers, simply thumb touching together, and simply just sit like this. Now you concentrate on your breath first. Few seconds just to concentrate on your breath and take deep breath in and out. For 10 to 15 seconds you will breathe in and out. And after that you take inhale. Start exhaling through the nose. First round. After exhaling through the nose, stop the breath. Do not allow the breath to come in. Stay as long as you can. Don't push yourself. As long as you can. And once you feel the body is demanding inhalation again, you start taking second inhale. And again, exhale nostril. Hold here as much as possible. Now here one thing is very important. When you exhale completely, there's a vacuum will come from navel to the throat. You will feel that the breath has stuck on your throat. That feeling should remain there. And that feeling is very important because throat is responsible for purification also. It's a Vishuddhi chakra, that's a purification chakra. So here when you feel the vacuum is there, something stuck there, stay as long as you can. Once you feel that you want to breathe in, third round will start. This is how you will do first 7 rounds. After 7 rounds, the second technique is mouth exhalation. It will be like this. Inhale nostril and mouth. Stop the breath. Again the same vacuum on the throat, stop the breath. Long. Here you can do little effort to extend this external retention and go for 15 seconds holding, go for 20 seconds holding. When you start reaching 20 seconds, you will see that mind will start becoming quiet. And I'm saying you 20 seconds does not mean you will start from the first day. First day, maybe 10 seconds you can hold. Go 1 week, 2 weeks, you will see that 20 seconds when you reach, mind is quiet. Practice regularly. That will strengthen your pranic body. Purification will come. Mind will be more sattvic and pure. The first benefit you will get is you will be able to sit longer in meditation. Second benefits, you will see that your sleep will become better and more energetic you will feel early in the morning. The third benefit, which is major benefit, you will feel that the body will be able to take more inhalation after practicing this pranayama, prachardhan vidharanam pranayama. There are many other also benefits which automatically you can experience once you practice, and I want you to experience them. That's why I'm not telling you today. I hope you understood the video. Practice and share with others. I will see you again with the next video. Namaste. Take care.